Hi guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Penny.
And we are the Oyster Boys, and today we are going to be reviewing the Brew Day in a Box Belgian Blonde Ale kit from the Malt Miller, aren't we?
Yeah, so, I mean, we were just talking about them before, weren't we? So, about, obviously, if it's, you know, you were saying, is it too dark?
Yeah, colour-wise.
But I
almost went in for a sniff, that would have been against the rules.
But yeah, I think it's just, if you were to pour a lef out, obviously that's been filtered, you know, within its...
Into its life.
Yeah. But, you know, I'd say that if you went out and you ordered a Belgian Blonde and you got that, you would be pretty,
I think
you would be pretty happy. Absolutely.
Yeah. So was this your first like Brew Day in a Box kit, wasn't it?
It was the first Brew Day in the Box. The thing that surprised me the most was it hasn't used Belgian candy. So it's just brewing sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was expecting it to, I was a bit curious because obviously the Belgian beers, they have that sort of residual
sweetness.
Yeah, but it is like a candy flossy type of sweetness, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know obviously some of it comes from the yeast and things like that, but I was quite surprised that, no, it's just 2 bags of white sugar, mate.
Well, fair enough, as long as it works, mate.
Well,
as it works,
find
it works.
out. Yeah.
But yeah, and how did you find the Brew Day in a Box? Because everything's packed in it. You've got like a little notes thing. You've got
it's great, yeah.
mats and stuff. It's a cool little setup, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like you say, you know, all your finings are there, everything you need to do. So as you know, we get our nice beer mats from your beer. We also get our little hangers. Hang it on your tap, tells you what it is, any Brew Day notes or anything when it was made. And most importantly, our ingredients and the instruction list. So, ingredients to this, we've got lager malt, we've got Maris Otter, Munich malt, and aromatic malts. We've got Magnum and Celia that's going in, and we're using Saf Ale T58. We've all got a couple of extra bits. We've got the Pro Mix, we've got finings, Brewsol, and we've also got some priming sugar and sugar to add into the actual kettle because Belgian ales, it's going to be a strong beer. So, our hops actually are already in the fridge, same with the yeast. But we've got the grain here, so let's get all gear. Let's get it in the grain father. Do you know what? Sometimes just having the paper sheets, you know, because you know, you're going on your phone, you've got to go back on the Malt Miller website, find a thing, right, or what I've got to do and stuff like that. This, it's like you've got that reference sheet there that you can just keep referring back to.
Yeah,
so,
I like it. I'm a fan, mate.
Yeah,
I'm a fan.
Yeah, you converted.
Yeah. But looks-wise on this beer, I mean, I'd give it 7.8, mate.
Yeah, I mean, the head's gone down quite. I mean, I even made yours a bit more lively, didn't I, before? Yeah. So it has disappeared quite significantly. Maybe they're not the right glasses. I know the Belgians, they're probably looking at that going, I can't believe you've served a Belgian beer in this type of glass. You could have used those,
I got you some Belgian glasses, didn't I? Was it the triple Carmelite
I've got those ones, yeah.
Maybe we should have served them.
I've still got them, but they haven't got Oyster Boy logos.
No, that's very true, mate, and we are brand whores.
Yeah.
At the best of time. So, I mean, I'll be honest, I could smell it when you set it down.
Yes.
So I already know that it smells exactly like I would expect a Belgian Blonde, like a Lef or like a Le Chouffe.
That's exactly
or like
what I'd expect it to be, a Lef.
Yeah, but I mean, I will go in and give it a... It's just lovely, really like...
Loads of esters, isn't it? Sweetness, that caramel is almost
it's like light floral, like dried fruit, like a raisiny type smell, really strong malty aroma as well.
Yeah.
And I think, it smells really good. I'd probably give it an 8.5.
A 9 for me, I think.
Yeah.
I think it smells delicious.
Yeah. And smelling it, I already know what it's going to taste like. And I've not tried this beer, but if it tastes like it smells, it'll be good.
Should we do it?
Let's dive in.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Long time, mate. Long time. Oh yeah. Good carbonation as always by you. It is. It's like it smells, isn't it? It hasn't got a thick mouthfeel, but it's got a thick flavour. Like it's a really
sticky,
deep, intense, sticky flavour. It's got the raisiny, dried fruit stuff.
And it's balanced well, isn't it?
Yeah.
The hops.
And I know it's not got candy sugar in, but it has got that. Not burnt. Burnt isn't the right word. That dark sugar taste.
Yeah.
Like a dark caramel taste.
Yeah.
Really, which is really, really nice. Tastes strong.
I mean,
tastes
strong.
strong.
Fuel.
What is it?
I think it's come out, well, I didn't know, I measured obviously the OG.
Yeah.
but I didn't measure the FG because I fermented it in the pressure fermenter, but then once it had cold crashed, obviously I then added
gas onto it.
Yeah. So it would have been fizzy. So I don't know how I would have.
So we don't know.
I would have had to put gas in.
If it had gone to plan, assuming you've fermented it as per the instructions, everything went round.
6.8.
So it's a big boy beer anyway.
Yeah, but do you remember with the Lef when we did it last time that the Malt Miller did the Lef clone, and it come out and they said it was like 6.5 and it come out at 7.8.
Oh yeah.
And then some other people commented going, I did that beer and the exact same thing happened to me. I think as soon as you're adding sugar into beer, it's wild.
Yeah, I mean it tastes great. It really does taste great, but it tastes like the kind of beer which makes me glad that I didn't drive my car here.
Yeah.
Like, hottest day of the year, I think. Today, is it?
It's probably.
Something like that, maybe 32 degrees, something
sweating.
like that. We've not been around for a while. This is probably the first review. We're in mid-July now.
I know. Last one we definitely would have been outside.
We would have been March. No, we were, because we did ones at my house in the garden, but it was cold. We had hoodies on.
Right, there we go.
But that was the day we did, like, the hopcorn, the Daya.
You haven't released that yet?
Maybe that'll come out before or after this, I don't know. Bonus footage at the end, maybe I'll take it up at the end of this. So yeah, it's been months and months since we've done one because there's just been so much going on and everyone's busy. And what a glorious return for a beer that tastes this good. I mean, like you say, the head's dying off a bit.
The head,
but,
disappointed.
It comes back when you give it a swirl, mate. It's not like it's a flat-ass beer.
No.
The fact that the sun is beating down on top of the beer super hard probably isn't doing those bubbles any favours, but...
I don't know whether the richness and darkness, I don't know really what the difference is between a Belgian blonde and a triple.
Triple, is it triple the malt?
Well, I think it's supposed to be triple the malt, but then if you look at a double, the double is traditionally dark. But
triples aren't darker than a double, are they? Are they?
Well, no, yeah. Doubles are a dark beer.
Right, is a triple like a...
And then a
triple end up being a stout at that point then, surely, wouldn't it?
What, sorry?
Like a stout, it'd be super black.
Well, it's not. The triple is more like this colour, maybe slightly darker. It's more of a reddy.
Maybe we're interpreting the words incorrectly. Maybe we need to go to Belgium.
That sounds good.
Oyster Boys on tour.
So, because and then a quad goes back to dark. Yeah.
Just keeping us on our toes, mate, aren't they?
Yeah.
What are you going to score this on taste?
It's super tasty, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to give it an 8.5.
Yeah, I'm going to give it an 8.6.
Oh.
I am very, very impressed. And this kind of beer, I'm starting like Donald Trump there, but very impressed, very impressed.
The big, beautiful beer.
The greatest. These beers, the great beers. Ask anybody, the greatest beers. I really am impressed with this, and it's not a beer style that I would normally go for. I don't think you've probably ever seen me just voluntarily
I think I've
go for a Belgian.
I've seen you drink a commercial Belgian beer.
No, I mean, I wouldn't when I was in a pub.
What madman would? No one's going to a pub and having a Belgian beer.
Devel on tap somewhere.
Yeah.
That's not even Belgium, is it?
Devel is Belgian.
Is it Belgian? Yeah.
Okay.
Devel. But yeah, I mean, this is
you're
great.
only drinking that to get drunk, aren't you?
Yeah, this is switching me onto the style.
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful for you at home, or you go to a nice. If you're at that beer place, for those who don't know, it's a bottle shop that also you can stay and drink in there. Then maybe you'd sit out and you'd have a nice one. But if you go into a pub, you're having pints.
Yeah, of course you are. But I would say this beer as well. This is good. Whatever the weather, like you get some people that'll be like, oh, I'll make a stout for the winter, or I'll make a lager for the summer.
Yeah.
Like this beer would be great on a cold winter's night because it is almost it's like 7%.
Yeah, I mean, I'd put that in a Christmas cake.
Yeah.
When you're making it with putting the booze in it.
Yeah. But also, we're sat on the hottest day of the year, sat in the garden drinking this, and it is mega. It's super refreshing as well because it's not got that thick mouthfeel. It's not like syrupy. It's just ultimately refreshing, but it is strong. It is strong.
Yeah. So, price?
What did we say? It was 70p a pint?
70p a pint. So 23 litres, £28.
And it's 7%. So it's 10p a percent.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So, I mean, if you're thinking about it, in reality, there's not many hops into it, and then other than obviously you're gonna have a large amount of grain, but then it's topped up with just normal table sugar.
Do you remember
that's brewing sugar, I think.
Well, it would be brewing sugar. They're not going to ship you a pack of Tate and Lyle with it, are they? But 70p for this, mate. For what if you were out in a pub and you were buying a pint of this, it's a Belgian beer you know, as Belgians, we're going to get sat in our garden, right? It's a Belgian beer. It's 7%. You're going to be looking at £8-9
Oh,
for a scooter.
Easy.
Because they wouldn't serve it you in a pint in the places we go.
They don't serve pints places we go, mate. That's how upper echelon we are.
Real thinking man's beers. That's what we're doing. I only
yeah.
want scooters. Did I tell you about the time I went to the suburbs and?
Oh yes, scooters or steins.
Scooters or steins. I'd ordered a pint of beer and they gave me this thing, this really tiny beer. And I was like, I ordered a pint, cannot get a pint. They were like, oh no, so we only serve schooners or steins. And I was like, which bit of this made you think that I would want a schooner rather than a stein? And to toddle off and make me a
I just love that. It's like you're either going in knee deep or you're having one driving.
I'd just been out for like a massive meal, but I couldn't have even fit a stein of beer in. But yeah, anyway, so I think great price. Greatest price. We got the greatest prices on any beer of anybody.
If it's the greatest price, mate, it's got to be a 10.
Oh, yeah, it's I actually think it's 10.
Yeah,
I think it's 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Oh, what do you score your beer when they're all 10 out of 10?
It's tough, isn't it?
11 out of 10.
10 plus. What are you scoring it?
10, yeah.
Yeah, 10.
11.
Sessionability though is going to be a tough one, mate.
I mean, yesterday.
What happened yesterday, mate?
Yesterday, I had 3, you know, the styrofoam and the tall ones?
Yeah, the 660ml bottles, are they
Yeah.
all? Yeah.
Yeah, I had 3 of them.
Yeah.
Loads of pizza.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 pints of lager. So let's say it was, 6 pints in?
I wasn't invited to this, by the way.
I don't think you, I don't think you would have enjoyed kids running around.
I've got a kid. I could have brought my own kids to run around.
Yeah, that's true. Well, you were having your own.
That's true, Matt. I did have pizzas and beer without you, so.
Anyway, I was fine. I'd cut my finger, as you can see.
Oh, did
So I'd done the thing, and then I had 2 of these size glasses of this beer, wasted.
Written off.
So it's like, you need to go to bed. In the morning, she woke me up, she went, there's blood everywhere. I was like, how? I had a plaster on my finger, and there was like blood. It's
like a massacre.
It was like, what happened? It's like, I only cut my finger. It's like blood everywhere. So yeah, I wasn't in the good books.
So sessionability, I know you can have at least 2 because you can have 2 with all of that other stuff that you had.
Yeah.
So it's got to be more than 2.
Yeah.
Or with because the thing is, because it tastes so strong,
sweet.
it's very rich, isn't it? It's very rich beer. I reckon
it's not pints.
I reckon 2 would probably be my limit for this.
I could do 5, I reckon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'd be cutting my fingers.
It'd be like, you know, in what film is it with Frank the Tank?
Frank the Tank, yeah.
Yeah. You'd be sprinting to the quad.
Yeah.
There's the gymnasium. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, we're naked.
Well, then Charlotte just picks me up.
Yeah.
Get in the car, Frank.
I think that's exactly.
Get in the car, Jamie.
I think that's probably exactly what you'd be like.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. But mate, I think absolutely mega beer, solid beer. Great work to the guys at the Malt Miller for knocking this one up. It's a really, really good one.
Yeah.
Oyster score, overall oyster score is there. Sorry for touching your leg there.
Sorry, mate. It's why I put my leg there.
Just living in hope. It's been too long.
Preempted.
Smash like, hit subscribe, and come back for more. We'll catch you on the next one. Oysters out. Solid that, mate.